Namaste children, welcome back to 8th English lesson. Today we are going to learn 5th poem, Firework at Night. It is written by Enid Blyton. The poem is set on a firework night in the United Kingdom. It is a night where fireworks are burst and celebrated by the whole nation. Here, before going to the poem, there is some pictures are there. How does the noise pollution affect people, animals and birds? Can you say some pictures? First picture is for old age home. How the old age people are affected by noise pollution? Certainly they will be affected by noise pollution. They can't sleep well and they will be disturbed. Those who are have heart complaint, they can't bear the sound of the heavy sound. Likewise animals also they will fear. Birds they can't sleep properly and they are also frightening the sound. Here in the given poem it is the thought of a dog. The poem name is Firework at Night. Author is Enid Blyton. Here one dog is hearing this sound, how the dog is expressing its idea. Okay, come to the poem. Bang. What is that? Bang, bang, oh hark. The guns are shooting in the dark. Little guns and big ones too. Bang, bang, bang. What shall I do? Mistress, master, hear me yelp. I am out of doors. I want your help. Let me in, oh, let me in. Before those fireworks begin to shoot again, I can't bear that. My tail is down, my ears are flat, I am trembling here outside the door. Oh, don't you love me anymore? I think I will die with fright. Unless you let me in tonight. Shall we let him in, children? Oh, now the door is open wide. I am rushing through. I am safe inside. The lights are on. It is warm and grand. Mistress, let me lick your hand before I slip behind the couch. There I'll be hide myself and crouch in safety till the bangs are done. Then to my kennel I will run and guard you safely all the night because you understood my fright. Here the poem starts with the word bang. What is meant by bang? A sudden, loud, sharp noise. Bayangaramana sound, that is bang. Bang, what is that? Bang, bang, oh hark. The dog is, see you can see the picture of the dog here. The dog is talking to us. What is that? Hearing that sound, dog is saying, what is that? Bang, bang, oh hark, hark here, listen. Listen, there is bang sound, what it is. Actually, some fireworks are burning, bursting there. The poem is happening in the United Kingdom. The whole nation is celebrating something, so fireworks are bursting. Now we burst the fireworks. What is a specialty? On Diwali occasion we burst. We are never minding the old people or animals or birds and we are bursting. But here the dog is talking to us. Bang, what is that? Bang, bang, oh hark. The guns are shooting in the dark. The dog is thinking this bang sound is gun sound. The gun are shooting in the dark. Little guns and big ones too. When the little sound is hearing, the dog is thinking little guns and big ones. He is thinking big gun, bang, bang. What shall I do? It is frightened. This is the narration of a pet dog. The pet dog is saying, I got frightened. Why he is frightened? Due to the sound, due to the noise. How the noise came? Because of the fireworks. But he is thinking it is gun sound. Are you clear, children? This is bang. What is that? Hearing that sound, the pet dog is asking, what is that? The guns are shooting in the dark. The dog itself saying maybe it is gun sound, little guns and big ones too, because little noise is there, big noise is there. So it is saying little guns. It is thinking, assuming some guns are shooting. Big ones to bang, bang. What shall I do? What shall I do? Because it was frightened. Mistress, master, hear my yelp. Hear me yelp. I am out of doors. I want your help. See. Mistress, master. He is calling Mr. and master. The pet dog is calling his master and mistress. Hear me yelp. It is yelping. Yelping means a short, sharp cry. It is crying. It is alarming. I am out of doors. I want your help. All the people are inside, but dog is outside. So dog is saying, I am out of doors. I want your help. See here, children, yelp and help. That is rhyming words. What is rhyming word? Can you say? It is ending with same sound or letters. Mistress, master, hear me yelp. I am out of doors. I want your help. What is the rhyming words? Yelp and help. See, the dog is crying. Why it is crying? Because it is frightened. It is asking for the help. It is saying, I am out of doors. I want to come inside. I want your help. It is asking master's help. Why it is asking master's help? Hearing the sound, the sharp, loud banging sound, it frightened. So it is saying, I am out of doors. It is yelp. Yelp means crying. What it is crying? I am out of doors. I want your help. Let me in. Oh, let me in. What the dog is saying? Let me in. Let me in. What is let me in? என்ன உள்ள விடுங்க உள்ள விடுங்கன்னு கத்துற. Before those fireworks begin. He is fearing. He is saying, before the fireworks starts, you make me come inside. Because it is thinking shooting from some gun in the night and it is frightened. So it is saying, let me in. Oh, let me in. Before those fireworks begin. To shoot again, I can't bear that. Because it is saying, I can't bear, I can't tolerate. என்னால் பொறுத்துக்க முடியல இந்த சவுண்டை. So make me come inside. My tail is down. Already it is frightened. So its tail is down. My ears are flat. Its ears are flat. I am trembling here outside the doors. Trembling. பயத்தால் நடுங்குது. I am trembling here outside the door. Oh, don't you love me anymore? Do you have love with me? என் மேலே பாசம் இருந்தா you make me inside. I think I will die with fright. I will die with fright. Because of fear I will die unless you let me in tonight. Today night if you won't allow me inside, I would die. Shall we let him, the children? Till now the pet dog is talking. Now the mistress is asking the children to make the dog inside. Shall we let him in, children? This and the bracketed words are by mistress or master. Shall we let him in, children? He is asking or she is asking the children. அந்த குழந்தைங்கள்கிட்ட பர்மிஷன் கேட்குறேன், நம்ம பெட் டாகை உள்ளே அலோவ் பண்ணலாமா? So shall we let him in, children? Now the door opened wide. Maybe children gave permission, so the master opened the door. I am rushing through. I am safe inside. What did the dog do? It rushed inside. குதிச்சு உள்ள வந்துட்டு. I am safe inside because it was frightened. It needs some safety. So here dog is saying, now I am safe inside. The lights are on. It's warm and grand. Outside it was fearing. Now it come inside and it is saying, the lights are on. Here lights are there. It is warm and grand. The chillness is not there. It is warm and grand. Mistress, let me lick your hand. It wants to express his thankfulness. So lick your hand. How the dogs are expressing its happiness or thankfulness? Lick. Lick your hand. It is asking permission to lick master's hand. Before I sleep behind the couch. Couch means sofa, bed. Okay. Before I sleep behind the couch, there I will be hide myself the crouch. Crouch means padingi irukkiradhukku. I want to sit safely there. Here also rhyming words couch and crouch. Before I sleep behind the couch, before I moving behind the couch, I want to lick your hands. What it is going to do? There I will hide myself and crouch. It will hide behind the sofa and crouch. Sit comfortably. Adopt a position where the knees are bent and upper body is brought towards and down. There I will hide myself and crouch in safety till the banks are done. What the dog is saying? The banks are over. I want to sit here safely. Then to my kennel I will run. You know what is kennel? A small shelter for dogs. Dog's house is kennel. After this bang sound, loud noise, I want to go to my kennel. I want to go to my home and guard you safely all the night. See how the dog is going to express his thankfulness. It said, after the bang, after this loud noise stopped, I want to go to my kennel and I guard you safely all the night. It wants to guard its master whole night safely because you understood my fright. Why the dog is saying like that? Because the master understood his feelings. Did you understand the poem, children? What is the poem about? The poem is set on a firework night. Then United Kingdom, it is night where fireworks are burst and celebrated by the whole nation. Colorful, bright displays with banging sound. Here one dog is talking to us because who is the author of the poem? Enid Blyton. The poem is narrated by a pet dog that gets, what happened to the pet dog? It was frightened. So what it was asking, why it was frightened? Because of the fireworks and this noise. So what is bang here? That loud noise. He heard the loud noise, bang, and wondered what the sound is, what it is thinking. Maybe it is the sharp sound of the gun. So he asked his master to listen him and take him inside. Whether his master allow him inside? Yes, he allowed him inside. So finally what dog is saying? I want to express my thankfulness. So he told, I want to guard you safely. Who is here? You, master. I want to guard you safely all the night. Why? Because you understood my fright, fear. Because you understood me. Okay, children, I think you understood. Okay, I will send the note. You write, did you heard about a dog whistle? Next class you find out. Next English class I will ask about you a dog whistle. This is a riddle for you. Okay children, thank you.